welcome to Whitby Tech. These are our new members and this is our studios. We will tell you more about it right after the intro. So welcome to our studios. So let's come into our green screen set. So here we have Toby, who
Subscribe to Whitby
who's one of our
Whitby Tech.
who's one of our new members. So let's show you around the green screen set. So if we come in, that used to say Whitby Tech. I don't know why it's saying that. So we have our streaming computer here. With our cameras, and so this is where we make the tech wrap up. I mean tech talk, and then over here we have our server, which stores all of our files. It has a 256 gig SSD. So this is our streaming setup. That is our server. It has 24 gigs of RAM, the server, and a quad-core Intel Core i5. This has the same specs other than 8 gigs of RAM. So in here, those are our old desktops. We can't use them because they have to go back, and that's why we haven't been making many videos recently. Those are all of our monitors not being used anymore. And this is where we store our laptops. So laptops go out here. We have 3 Chromebooks now. One of them has a broken screen. So now if we come out here to our laptop area. So this is Ben. Hi. He's another one of our new members. All of our new members are year 7s, so it's quite good to have new people that are going to be here for a long time. So these are 2 of our Chromebooks that don't have the breakages. So out here is and also we have Jack here, who
I'm a thumbnail creator.
Yep.
So,
he's going to be making our thumbnails for us. So,
I'm making the one for this video.
yes, you are. So let's just move this. That's our logo up there, and there's another laptop here. That's not our laptop, but we put there. Again, that's not our laptop, and this is Toby again. I have to learn all of the names. And then over here we have Jack, you're Charlie. Okay, you can see how I'm getting messed up with the names. I'll learn them. So over here we have Charlie, who what are you going to be doing? Because we haven't actually sorted out any roles yet. We haven't written them down. He's one of our new people as well. So, yeah. And over here, this is our old place where we made the Windows 95 videos. Now, not our spot because this is Miss Curtis's place. So we're kind of separate. And this is our wall where well, it's not really a wall. It's shelves of boxes where we get all of our stuff from, like our network switches to our power cords to our display port to VGA cables, to HDMI cables. Now if we come over here, this is a server which doesn't actually work, and we're going to have quite a few videos coming up on this in a while.
I like playing with it.
You like taking these out?
No, I like doing
Yes.
this.
It's quite satisfying.
Fun.
Pop this in. So this will replace our server in there, and that one will become a backup server. And then here's our Toshiba thing, which actually started off with BTEC that gave us the whole idea. We have a network switch here. And then we have a hard drive, which I messed up, which we're going to try and fix. It's 500 gig hard drive. Why did I whisper that? Anyway, fiber things, again, random. Yeah. Hello. Hi. So, if we also come in here, we've got a couple of other things. Look, like the tiniest mouse in the universe. It's very cute.
There's probably tiny ones.
And a very old laptop, which is like thicker than some desktops these days. Hey, look at this. Super thick. But yeah, look at this.
big.
It can have a touch. It's like the MacBook Pros at the moment. It has touch bar. This is touch. If we booted it up,
Nice.
which I think we can actually do at the moment.
No, we can't.
Yep, we can. Over here. Drop the ball. There we are. Over here. Plug in. Okay, this has to be the biggest blooper of our time. But this is what we do when we need a cable. This is a good demonstration. So, if we need a cable,
I found a $23 phone.
we'll come over here. We'll grab the cable of our laptop power cords.
Our extensive collection.
Yep, it's a big collection. No, that's the wrong one. But it supplies the school ones as well. So this has, yeah, this is the power adapter for that one. But yeah, it's no plug there. Grab this. And plug it in. Oh, be careful. Space enough to trip over.
No kidding. This is Marco, by the way. You probably all know him by now.
I was your new viewer.
The one that has done quite a few bloopers.
Yes.
I love
Here
blue
we are.
cooker.
Here we are. Here we are. It's booting up. So let's cut, and I'll show you once it's booted up. A few minutes later. Over here we have the thick laptop, stylized as thick, because it is really, really thick. And so this will load up.
Very blurry at the moment.
Okay, so look at this. Look at this touch bar. Look, like you can. It's so satisfying. Just doing this, and with a tap, you can. And you can also do. I found stuff with that button. This has to be the first model of a touch bar. This is quite cool to have. Okay.
Subscribe to Whitby Tech, otherwise I will throw this carrot in your face.
Darcy knocked the projector plug and it turned off.